What's up, y'all? Today we're at the Latinx Garba Night in the pit to celebrate Latinx Heritage Month. They got dancing, free food, free merch, so we gotta go check it out. All right, so who are we here with today?
My name is Stefano Brajo.
Okay.
My name is Danny Govea.
Okay, nice to meet y'all. And can I ask what the name of you guys' organization is?
Yeah, it's called Que Rico.
Que Rico. Okay, and can you tell us more about Que Rico? Like, what is it your organization does?
Yeah, so it's the premier Hispanic dance team for UNC, and we do all different types of traditionally Hispanic dance genres, which includes salsa, bachata, merengue, all of this sort.
We're really trying to build up a community aspect, and we're doing that every 2 weeks. It's a bi-weekly thing. In the beginning, we'll have like a lesson for 30 minutes, and then I think it's about 2 or 3 hours, we'll have the actual social dance. And like, it's just, we want people to pop out, you know, it's free of charge too. If you guys would ever want to be interested, you just go on our Instagram page, Que Rico at UNC.
That sounds cool. It was nice to meet y'all.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Yep, for sure. So we made it to the end of the event where we got to see Que Rico and UNC-Chapel in action. Happy Latinx Heritage Month, and I'll see you at the next one. And if you want to see more, follow us at UNC Student Affairs on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Thank you.